Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the answers of exercise question of class 8 science chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastics. First question is, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. There are some fibers that are prepared by man by using chemicals. These are called synthetic fibers. In simple way we can say some fibers which are prepared by man using some chemicals are known as synthetic fibers. These are made of small units that join together to form long chains. Mark tick the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fiber because it has a silk-like appearance. This is again correct. It is obtained from wood pulp. This is also correct. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. These are the characteristics of rayon. But this is from synthetic. This is different from synthetic fiber. Why? Because this is made up of the wood pulp. Actually, this is natural and simply this is after chemical treatment converted into the rayon. That's why we can say this is semi-synthetic fiber. Rayon is semi-synthetic fiber. That's why correct answer is obtained from wood pulp. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Now next is, synthetic fibers are also called, we can say that it's artificial or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called petrochemicals. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Clear? Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. We have to give some examples. So we can say actually nylon fibers are used for making ropes which are used for climbing rocks and for making parachutes. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. We can say these are some characteristics of plastic. Lightweight, lower price, good strength, easy handling, and these are non-reactive. Explain the differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. These are the differences. Thermoplastic becomes softer on heating while thermosetting does not. Thermoplastic reshaped and reused while thermosetting cannot. Thermoplastic is soft and weak while thermosetting plastic is hard and strong. Thermoplastic is soluble in organic solvent while insoluble in organic solvent. Examples of thermoplastic are PVC and polyethylene, and thermosetting are bakelite and melamine. Next question is, explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. First means saucepan handles. Why saucepan handles are made of thermosetting plastic? So we can say saucepan handles are made of thermosetting plastic because these plastics do not get softened on heating. Okay. Also, thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat. Second one is electric plugs, switches and plug boards again made up of the thermosetting plastic. Why? We can say actually thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Therefore, they are used to make electric bulbs, electric plugs, switches, plug boards, etc. Next one is, categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Okay. These are some materials are given. Can be recycled. In this category, plastic toys, carry bags, ballpoint pen, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electric wires and plastic chairs. And cannot be recycled. These are telephone instrument, cooker handles and electrical switches. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana giving your reason. Rana should buy shirts made from cotton. Why? Because cotton is a good absorber of water it can soak the sweat coming out of our body and expose it to the environment. Thus, it helps in evaporating the liquid, that is sweat, thereby cooling our body. Next one is giving examples. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. So we can say plastics do not react with water and air. Plastics are not corroded even if they come in contact with strong chemicals. This is because of their non-reactive nature with most materials. Okay. For example, the cleansing chemicals that we use at home are stored in plastic bottles instead of metal containers. Next one, should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of same material? Explain your answer. Answer is no. Handle and bristles of a toothbrush should be made of different materials, not of same materials. Why? Because handle of a toothbrush should be hard and strong, while the bristles should be soft and flexible. Okay. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Plastics are non-biodegradable, that is, cannot be easily decomposed by microorganisms. Once introduced into the environment, they take several years to decompose. Plastics add to the environmental pollution. They cannot be burnt, as when burnt, they release poisonous gases. Plastic bags thrown in the garbage dump are swallowed by animals like cows. These plastic bags choke their respiratory system and can even prove fatal. Therefore, we should avoid plastics as far as possible. Next, match the items of column A correctly with the phrases given in the column B. This is polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Correct answer is polyester. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Teflon, used to make non-stick cookware. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. Okay. Next one is manufacturing synthetic fiber is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment. Answer is raw materials for natural fibers are mainly derived from plants, and this means cutting a lot of trees. It means if we use the natural fibers, we have to cut the lot of trees. This leads to deforestation. But raw materials of synthetic materials are mainly petrochemicals, that is obtained from the petroleum. Hence, manufacturing synthetic fibers help in conservation of forest. Next, and this is the last question of this chapter, describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Dear student, in 7th class you have to discuss how we can make the circuit, electric circuit. This is battery, this is bulb, this is switch, and this is the wire which connect all these things, and these are the two clips. In this clip we can insert whatever the sample we want to test. So first of all, we make the circuit like this. Okay, make a circuit using these items like this diagram, and then fix a plastic pipe, that is thermoplastic, between clips. You will observe that bulb does not glow. Hence, what it proves, that is plastic pipe, which is a thermoplastic, is shown to be a poor conductor of electricity. Is it clear? This is all about the answers of this chapter 3. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my next video easily and immediately. Thank you.